Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to create voice message. So in order to do that on your iPhone, you just need to head over to the voice memos app on your phone. So this is a free app offered by iPhone. So what you need to do is you just click on that specific app, and once you're in here you can actually add a new folder. So let's type in here and click this to add a new folder, and type in the name that you want to rename your folder and click on save. So here's that specific folder right here, so let's enter it. And once we're in there, we can just type the record button right here to start our voice memo. So let's try to do that. So I am now recording a voice memo, and as you can see right here, it is currently recording. So I can just click this button right here in order to end it. And as you can see, it is over 10 seconds. So if I want to record another, then I can just click on this button again. So right now I have clicked that, and I can just click on this again to pause that or stop that. However, there's actually a very good method in order to delete or edit this. So in order to do that, I just need to click on that specific voice recording, and I can click on these three dots in here, and then in there you can see this edit recording. So this will open this page, and if you head over to the last place of your recording, there's actually in here resume. So let's try to click on resume, and this will resume our recording. So this is actually a very useful thing that you can have on your voice memo, because there may be some things that you have not said on the first time that you recorded it. Also, if you head over to any part of your recording, so for me, I will head over to the first, then I can see that there's actually a replace button right here. So if I click that, then I will replace the memo that I have earlier. As you can see, it has been replaced. So if you click this right here, then you can trim that specific audio. So in here, I just need to drag and drop anything. So I can just drag in here and until here, and this will trim my specific recording. I can trim that so that will remain, or I can delete that so that will be deleted. So for that, I will trim that, and as you can see, it has now shortened to 6 seconds. So what I need to do next is just click on save right here and click on done. So as you can see right now, it has been saved, and there's actually 6 seconds that's in there. So if you click this button right here now, then what you can do is you can actually have the option to enhance your recording. You can also skip the silence. So what this will do is this will give a very good quality to your audio, so you won't have any background noise or anything like that. So if you want to rename your file, what you need to do is just click on that specific name, and you should be able to delete it and rename it however you want, just like that. And once you're done with that, as you can see, it has been saved to name like that. And actually, if you head over to the settings of your phone, and when you scroll down, and you can see the voice memos right here, you can see that the audio quality is actually compressed, and you can change it to lossless. But however, lossless is higher, has a higher quality, but also has a higher size. So if you want to do that, then you can also turn that on, and you can also turn this location based naming, so it will depend on your location. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.